Hey guys, welcome to another video today. Today I will be building Hydrus at Connects. I will be setting up a time-lapse mode. So, Hydrus is at Casino Pier in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. I've ridden it almost more than I've ridden El Toro. Just because whenever I go to Casino Pier, I've been there like 3-4 times. There's no lines. Go during the day, there's no lines. And you can get like 20 rides on it. It's a great coaster by Gerstlauer. It's a short ride. It shouldn't be too hard to build. I'm not sure if I'm going to need 2 time lapses to do this or 1. So let's get into time lapse mode and see how this goes. Hey guys, I think this will do it for today's video. Unfortunately, I am going to need 2 time lapses to complete Hydrus. As you can see, I did a lot today though. I finished the lift 2, I got the loop, and I got the turnaround done. The loop was the turnaround was actually a lot harder than I actually thought it would be, so that took a long time, that turnaround. It's definitely a fun build. I think I will be done pretty soon. So, thanks for watching. I'm kind of running out of ideas with Connect, so if you have an idea, I'll be happy to hear it. Comment down below. I'll probably use it, give you a little shout out. So, comment down below if you like the video. Comment your Connect's coaster that you think I should build. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.